Drops.
Taiwanese man, ha?
Yeah. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo dito sa expedition natin sa sea called Supersonics. Dito tayo ngayon sa The Spears.
Taiwan.
Ayan. Yung puso yung ano dito, yung mga bento-bento, ayan, yung mga katrops, oh. Ang daming tao. Come on, let's go. Yo. We're going. Dahil tao dito sa downtown mga katrops. Meron sila mga food truck. Yan, roll or bowl. Yan, no? Mga sushi. Pero ito sa likod ko, yun yung pupuntahan natin. Kaya natin pumasok din sa loob sa The Spears. So, dyan na kayo, sabay-sabay natin tutuklasin itong The Spears. Mga katrops. Andito lang to sa corner ng Leonora at 7th Avenue, downtown Seattle. Alright! Hello! Here we go again mga katrops. Tignan mo itong structure na to mga katrops. Oh. Yan. Yeah! Let's go! May pa-take out pa ng banana mga katrops. Go down, kid! Go down. You can go down if you want. It's free bananas. See? Go bananas. See? Bananas. Yay! Go get some bananas, kids. Here. Wow. See? It's free. It's a banana day. Ayan mga katrops, kung gusto nyo yung banana, punta na kayo sa The Spears. May palibay pang banana. Ending namin yung The Spears, kain mo tayong banana, tapos papasok tayo doon sa The Spears. Yay! Where's your banana? Yay!
I don't want banana.
Look at that amazing building, Dime.
I do like banana.
Yeah, let's go inside. There's no like this back home, that's why. Look at this, so amazing. We'll go inside. Come on. You excited? Go inside this, The Spears, Amazon Spears, mga katrops. Come on, open. Yeah. What? No way. Please don't go. Ano, open. Oh, may umbrella. Pagalik ka mo. There's a free umbrella. Come on, let's go. Yeah. Come on. Let's go inside. Hello. Maling entrance pala yung napasukan namin mga katrops. Ito pala yung entrance pala dito. Ayan o. Yan. Open, please. Understory. Ito pala yun. Sige ka. Go. Go na. Yay!
Oh, thank you.
We made it inside. Go inside. Yeah. Oh, look at this inside. Can we go upstairs? No.
Upstairs is the workspace for Amazon employees.
Oh, just
so
only
you
for
need to
Amazon.
meet with somebody who works for Amazon for you to go up.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. I cannot go inside, kid, but at least we're here inside the building, right, kid? This is the inside of the building. Yeah. Look at the structure. See? You gotta go inside. Look, I will take picture over there. See? Come on, Kathleen. Go down. Kathleen, come on. See, it's pretty cool here. Go there, Kathleen. Kathleen, you like it there? See, look. Go inside. It's like a magic wall. See, like a magic wall. Uh-oh, it's changing color. The Amazon Spear. Yan mga mga katrops. Meron pa silang palibreng color dito sa Amazon Spear. Ang downside lang dito pag pumasyal ka na weekdays, hindi kasi open yung yung sa taas, yung mga may mga plants. Open na yun pag first and third week of the month. So since weekdays kami pumunta, sarado. At yun, kung pupunta kayo doon, dapat isakto nyo ng weekends. Alright, well, anyway, you just go around there and then take pictures, and yeah, the structure of the Amazon building is so amazing, right Katin? Yeah. So let's go and rock and roll the Amazon Spears. So yan na mga katrops, kakatapos na namin dito sa may the Spear Amazon. Since na nandito tayo sa Amazon, ito yung Amazon Go, where you can pick up your stuff here. Amazon Avenue yata ito mga katrops kasi puro Amazon. Yeah, go inside. I wait you here. Hey Tag? No. You sleepy? No. Okay. Yan. Parang Amazon niya talaga. Yun yung Elephant Super Car Wash mga katrops. Yan. Ang galing. Galing ng area na ito mga katrops. So, Headland! Let's go! Oh, look at that, oh my gosh. Dito tayo daan daw mga katrops. Galing itong structure talaga ng Amazon eh. Hindi tayo makapunta doon sa taas eh. Maganda sana doon eh. Kaya lang yung mga empleyado lang pwedeng makapunta doon at weekends lang. Every first and third of the week, I mean of the month. Let's go this side. Ooh, look at that. Oh, may mga playground pa ng aso. Let's go this way. Yeah. See? It's free mga katrops sa Amazon the Spears. Yung umbrella. Lagi kasing umuulan dito sa Seattle eh. Yeah, let's go. Oh, this one is one more entrance. Right there. Oh, look. See?
Papa,
Yeah. Come on, let's go.
what's that smell?
I don't know. Maybe the Amazon smell.
Let's go forward.
Look at that building, time. So tall. Ayun yung pala yung Space Needle. See? Look at the Space Needle over there. Ang
I
galing
want
ng...
to go at the water taxi.
Yeah, let's go.
I want to go at the water taxi.
Yan ang downsides lang dito mga katrops. Ang downside, ha? Ang downside dito sa Seattle, yung parking. I don't know. Let's go. Yeah. Nakita mo mga no, libre ito mga katrops, oh, yung umbrella sa Amazon. Blue at white.
Payong.
Yeah, payong dito sa Amazon. Payong kayo dyan. Yung downside dito sa Seattle mga katrops, lalo dito sa downtown, yung parking. Sobrang mahal mga katrops. I-check nyo na lang kung magkano yung parking, pero yung binayaran namin na sa ano eh, $40 per day. Yun, US ha. Kaya papakita ko sa inyo yung parking. Kasi kaming ano dito eh, hindi ka pwedeng mag-park kung saan lang, kaya may mga police. Good. Let's go. Let's go boys. You like the Amazon umbrella? Yes. Son, you wanna work here in the Amazon Spear Dime? Here in
Where is
Seattle? Over here, this building.
That one?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's very cool.
How could you have that?
Yeah, I know. So mga katrops, hanggang dito na siguro yung munting vlog natin sa The Spears. Kasi marami pa kaming magagalaan at sasama kayo sa amin. So tara, at kita-kits sa susunod na kabanata. Rock and roll. Peace out.